Okay. Hey everybody, it's Seth Wilson and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an app I found of how to get free cash just by watching videos and inviting people. So anyways, this app is a family app. It's fam.ly app. It's right here, and this is also how the app looks like. It looks just like that. But anyways, this app, you watch videos. I'm not going to show any of the videos on here because I might get copyrighted. But anyways, this app is so amazing, guys. I've been using it for a while, and so far I have $31.01. So let me show you guys here that it actually is legit. So it just looks like that. And when you join, with my code, you get $1. And for every code, you get $1 for when you join. And when you enter a code, it shows here, so you guys know that I'm not lying. And it says right there, guys. Win $1 by entering famcode. So be sure to use my famcode right there. Use my famcode. Be sure to use it because you know your girl will appreciate it. But anyways, when you do that, you get $1. And basically you watch a bunch of videos on here and you just get coins, and then eventually you get to redeem them by PayPal. And you can follow people, and then there's also different tasks to get money. And I love this app, and if you guys would want to know more, just download it, the family app, use the link below, and then use my code too. So the way to use a code is, I'm going to show you guys right here. So you're going to see all these 4 buttons right here, and then you're going to go to the last button that says me, and then once you scroll down, this is also my old account, so please don't use that one. But you're gonna go to my videos, but then under it will be enter famcode-ish. If you guys can see it. Do you guys see that? But down there will be the code. It's gonna be explore, follow with a plus button, task, and me. Those little buttons will be down below, and be sure to click the me button and enter my code, or use the link down below, and my code for family will be down below, or it'll actually be right here. Use that code right there, and also know that Desiree will send a love you, and I really hope this app helps. Love you guys.